Understanding the phrase, wall of text. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common term you might encounter online, the phrase, wall of text. If you're ready to learn what it means and how to avoid it in your writing, keep watching. A wall of text refers to a large amount of written content without any breaks or white space. It's usually hard to read and can be overwhelming. Imagine a literal wall made up entirely of words. That's what it feels like to encounter a wall of text. Reading a wall of text can be challenging. It lacks organization, and without paragraphs or headings, it's difficult to follow the writer's main points. This can discourage readers from engaging with the content. To avoid creating a wall of text, use paragraph breaks. Separate your ideas into manageable chunks. Bullet points or numbered lists. These help organize information and make it digestible. Headings and subheadings. They guide readers through your content. Images or videos. These can break up text and add visual interest. Good formatting makes your writing more accessible and enjoyable. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about respecting your readers' time and attention. We hope this video has shed light on what a wall of text is and how to avoid it. Happy writing! And remember to break down those walls into something beautiful and easy to read. See you in the next video.